2002 GMC Envoy V6. Nice car. You know, even the GMC Envoys want to be straight piped. It's got an aftermarket high flow cat on it. Then we removed the massive muffler, put a 2.5-inch pipe in its place. Look at them welds. You guys can't complain about that. And then we did a resonator delete also. So that's how you do it. That's how you straight pipe these GMC Envoy. He's gonna give it to his granddaughter. So she wants it loud. He said, okay, we'll make it loud. So what do we do? Make it as loud as possible. Because you know why? That's what exhaust shops do. The good ones anyways. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. I hope you guys like it. I think it came out phenomenal. Really beautiful job. My guys never disappoint, as always. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. GMC Envoy. Straight pipe. Go ahead. Much better. Let you guys hear sound decibels. Give it gas. About 100, 101. Not too bad. You guys should have seen the muffler on it. It was massive. I would expect a lot more noise out of it, but still sounds good. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. GMC Envoy. We'll straight pipe anything. Let you guys hear on the inside.